Have you ever wanted to hire someone from another country? If so, you may have heard of Deel. Deel is a global employment platform that makes it easy to hire and manage employees from anywhere in the world. But what exactly is Deel and how does it work? Introduction. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Deel and explore how it can help you to find the best talent from around the world, manage your employees remotely, comply with local labor laws, save time and money. What is Deel? Deel is a global employment platform that provides a suite of tools and services to help you hire and manage employees from anywhere in the world. Deel handles all of the administrative tasks associated with hiring and managing employees, including payroll, benefits, taxes, compliance, HR. Deel also provides a number of other features, such as a user-friendly dashboard that makes it easy to track employee performance, a mobile app that allows you to stay connected with your employees on the go, a global network of experts who can help you with any questions you may have. How does Deel work? Using Deel is simple. First, you create an account and provide some basic information about your company. Then, you can start searching for employees from Deel's global talent pool. Once you've found the right candidate, you can make them an offer. Once the employee accepts your offer, Deel will handle all of the paperwork and onboarding. Deel will also set up the employee's payroll and benefits and ensure that they are compliant with local labor laws. Once the employee is up and running, you can use Deel's dashboard to track their performance and communicate with them. You can also use Deel's mobile app to stay connected with your employees on the go. Benefits of using Deel. There are many benefits to using Deel, including access to a global talent pool. Deel gives you access to a vast pool of talented professionals from all over the world. This allows you to find the best people for the job, regardless of their location. Simplified HR and compliance. Deel handles all of the administrative tasks associated with hiring and managing employees, so you can focus on your core business. Reduced costs. Deel can help you save money on labor costs by hiring employees from countries with lower wages. Increased flexibility. Deel allows you to hire employees from anywhere in the world, giving you more flexibility in how you build your team. Use cases. Deel is a great solution for a variety of businesses, including startups, small businesses, large enterprises, nonprofits, government agencies. Pricing. Deel's pricing is based on the number of employees you have and the services you use. For more information on pricing, please visit the Deel website. Deel is a powerful platform that can help you to hire and manage employees from anywhere in the world. If you're looking for a way to access the best talent from around the globe, Deel is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit our website or contact us today. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on HR and talent management.